TheCurlySage, welcome back to another video. So I'm about to do some Marley twists in my hair. I know in my last video you guys said I should keep doing the head wrap, and I have been doing that since that video, but I just want to just like not, how do I explain? I don't know, I just want to do something different, and Marley twists and box braids in the past have glued my hair really well, so I'm just gonna do them. I'm gonna try to keep them in for like a month to a month and a half. So this video is not going to be really a tutorial. This is just more to show my length before, and then I'll come back to this video to see how much it grew like after I take them out. So I just washed my hair. I have a deep conditioner in my hair right now, but I'm just going to do a quick length check to see how long it is, and then after I take it out, I'll just insert clips of this video in that video. I did trim my hair so it's shorter than it was before, but it's like right under my collarbone. Right there. So it used to be like probably around here, but that's where that side is. That side. And I have been doing like the Jimy thing. I actually have the mixture right here. My mom made it for me. And I have been doing that, and I've been wearing that like under my head wraps. I'm gonna have my mom make like a Jimy oil so I can just put that like on my twist while I have like the Marley twist in, because this is more thick like a butter, so I'm going to use an oil just so I can still apply it when I have my twist in. So here's how long the side is, and I do the front. So it's right under the tip of my nose. So it's 2:31 right now, so I'll come back when I'm almost done to show you how I do like the last two or so. Okay, I just rinsed out that deep conditioner. I've been using this one from the Body Shop. It's like a natural banana one. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how my hair looks without the deep conditioner in. My hair dries really fast, but I do have to say my hair has gotten a lot thicker. And the only thing I have changed is I stopped using like regular hair products, as in like smoothie, like curling smoothies and all that stuff, and I just started using shea butter, and shea butter does wonders for my hair. My hair loves shea butter, but it's so much thicker. But yeah, that's how my hair is looking once I rinse it out. So for these like 1 to 1.5 months, I'm probably just gonna redo the front sometimes when it gets a bit frizzy, but other than that, I'm just gonna like oil it and just let it flourish. Now I'll be back once I'm almost done the Marley twist. Alright guys, so this is how I personally do my twists. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube. There's tons of people who do them differently, but this is how I do mine. So I just take my section of hair and split it into 2 separate pieces. After that, I take my little Canon hair, and is this Canon? I don't know, but I just take the hair and kind of just plop it right in between those 2 pieces of my own hair, and then I kind of just start braiding. I don't know how else to explain it. I do know how to start twists off with a twist, but I don't feel like they're as secure, so I just prefer to braid it first. Say less and the vibe will tell me secrets that are necessary. We are the life of the party, babe. We can roll up if it's pulled. And after braiding a bit, I kind of just take 1/2 of my hair and twist it with a piece of the Canon hair, and then that just kind of secures it, and then that's when I start to just twist the hair all the way down. I'm pretty sure that didn't make sense, but hopefully you guys can kind of see what I did. Alright, 8 billion years later, literally like 8 or 9 hours later, and I'm finally done. This is how long they are. I did take some breaks to like eat and stuff, but I am so tired. I'm just gonna go to bed right after filming this. But I decided to do black instead of like the colors to match my hair because my roots are black, so I just thought it'd look better. But I did take some of the color 27 and mix it with some of the hair, like this one, so that there's some that go like all the way down to the bottom to match like how the roots look. I literally bought like 6 packs and I only used 2, so I still have like so much packs left. I don't know how I only used 2 packs. I usually use like at least 4. I don't know, but yeah. So usually when I do Marley twists, I only redo the very front when it gets a bit frizzy just so it looks neater, but I leave the back. So probably in like 2 or 3 weeks I'll redo some of the like the front so it looks more neat. But that's it. I'm gonna try to keep these in for minimum a month. And I prefer Marley twists over box braids just because Marley twists are a lot lighter. Like Marley hair is just very lightweight and it's faster to do. It still took like 8 hours because I'm doing it on my own head so I can't see the back and stuff. But box braids take way longer to do in my opinion. Let's see how much growth I can get in this 1 to 1.5 months. Get used to this look because I'm gonna be wearing these for a while, probably. Knowing me, I'm probably gonna find a new style to, like a new protective hairstyle to do, but I'm digging this, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, it's TheCurlySage signing out. Peace. See, we make a killing for sure.